Do you want to know how you can add photos to your Dropbox? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add photos to your Dropbox. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open any browser on your PC. Then go to the Dropbox. After you go to Dropbox.com, make sure you do have your account. Go ahead and log into your account and you will see this type of interface. Now you can see your photos over here on the left hand side. If there are no photos, Dropbox will not show the photos. But if you do have some photos, it will be shown over here. So you can see that you have no photos or videos over here right now. So you can just click on add photos or videos to your Dropbox and they'll appear here. Or else you can just go to the home menu and click on upload or drop. So if you have a photo folder, you can just go ahead and click on folder, which is over here. And let's suppose we are going to find a folder. So what you need to do is go ahead and find the photos that you have. So go ahead and find the photos. After you find the photo folder, you can add it. For now, I'm going to add a single photo. So you can go ahead and go to upload, go to file and select some photos or select a single photo. If you want to select multiple photos, go to upload, go to file. You can see that the photo has been uploaded. Now let me teach you once again. Go to photo, go to file, and now you can select multiple photos over here. So you can see that you can select these photos over here, click open, and after you do so, on the right hand side, all of the photos will be uploaded and it will be shown over here on this section or on the all files, which you can see below. So wait for a while and all of your photos will be uploaded. Now go to photos and you can see all of the photos which you have recently uploaded. So guys, this is how you upload or add a photo on your Dropbox folder. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.